This nylon web belt features a quick release buckle. It is stretchy, very comfortable. You could wear this every day. The stretch nature of this belt also means it's breathable, so this is great for active men. If needed, you could simply cut off excess. Here's a closer look. To resize it, simply adjust it to where you need to go and then pull it tight. Now I've made it a bit shorter. Here's a closer look at the one-touch release. This could be your daily casual belt. It looks good with long pants, it looks good with shorts, with jeans, or a lot of people use this as a tactical belt. So firefighters, police officers, law enforcement, even people in the trades, this would make a good sturdy belt.